Okay, hi, Mr. Workman. This is your live preview of your app, the Mockup, that is. Um, Sorry it took so long to get back to you, but I was working on some other projects. Now, here we are going to be looking at the live preview via an emulator. This is how your app would look, how it would load onto a iDevice like iPad or an iPhone, the iPad more favored because it has a wider view and so on. But it also will have this kind of appearance for the Android Play market, the Android Play, Google Play market. Now I'm going to just go through some of the functions quickly. This is the first one here is events. Well, you can click on that. You'll see how it loads. And you see some list of events. I obviously took this here from somewhere else. Just look at one event here so you can see what it looks like. Like I said, the content is taken from somewhere else, but you can create your own artwork and whatever other customizations that you may need um, to depict an event, similar to your type of thing with the posters. One of the good things about this module here is that you can manage the events onto the actual device, the phone or the tablet device, wherein you can add the event to your calendar. And with some of these, the latest devices, the latest OSs, they can do pretty much with the adding like this alarms. This you can add all sorts of notes and different things for the particular event. So the user really gets involved with the actual event once they're interested. I'm just going to click no here. I'm going to go back. All right. So we go back to the list. You just note that these events are here. They're sorted by the most recent was going to come first, and you have a nice little classification by month. There's also an interesting inactive feature where once November the 29th passes, this this event will also be deleted from the list. The second thing is one of your main content um, from your website, which I pipe directly here, is your ads in that 2 by 3 grid view, which is what you use in the email advertising. Here you can have access to view the ads the same way. Um, the emulator right now is only showing it as an expanded view. I didn't want to tamper too much with the size here. It's still a very nice, good size where you can see everything. Like I said, different devices will have a different dimension and different dimension views, and it will work even on an iPhone. Even if the person can tilt the iPhone to the landscape view, and they can also pinch in and out to resize these ads. And like I said, I took it ripped from your website, so you can click and you can get more information on the ad. And I might add here that your information is the actual supplementary information is very good, which can also be kept here for this mobile view, and the person can get more information like as you have done here. Um, I also included a share the app. This is a very nice feature in that this is one of the features that will spread your app and the business via this app virally. Once you click on share, you see that you have like 4 different options to share. You can share via email, you can share via Facebook, Twitter, or a text message or SMS. Well, the email, and let's just show you a nice view of that. Just give you a nice little message. This message most likely will be replicated. I'm going to cancel here, deleting the draft. This will be replicated also with the Facebook and the Twitter. If I click on Twitter, it will carry me to a Twitter page. The person obviously will have to have a Twitter account to make that share. And also the same thing with the Facebook. And the text message will not come up in this emulated view. Um, so I'm just going to show you again. Sorry about that. Let's show you the Facebook view. And that's nice and easy there. Good. I'm going to cancel this. All right. So like I said, I'm not going to click on the SMS one. That's not going to come up here. We will have to have an actual phone. The fan wall is something that you can use to allow customers to communicate. It's kind of can be used like a testimonial thing, but you won't have any control over that. But you can also moderate these comments. But say control of it. They probably will use it for whatever reason. But it can be encouraged to be used as a testimonial wall as well. The subscribe is a nice mirror of the subscription form. Just going to send you more customers via the app where people can subscribe and get onto your list. About us, that's a nice bit of information that tell people why we should use you, and also they will understand that using it will benefit them. And then the last three tabs are about the informational type of tab where you can call you. This is one click calling. I use the cell phone which is available from the website. So the person can call you, and I put a little title there saying call us to order or for more info. So they can do that. Another informational tab, or what I would call a directional tab here, is directions. It also utilizes the GPS function where you can, just find out if you're in the vicinity of the directions, if you want to get directions. And this most likely, this is not going to come out here in this emulated view because it's wanting to probably give you directions from where you are to where your business is, which is an approximate estimation. You can get a summary of these last two tabs in the Contact Us, which gives us all types of contact information. You can view the location, well, it's a general location, but we can also pinpoint that if you want to where you are directly on the map, and it will be nice so that people can find your place of business. And call us is again is you go back to that direct one call clicking. It's not going to come out here now because it's probably directly into that number again. So it's not going to come straight up right now. Um, and then finally, you can also view the website from the app. It's just going to be a mobile view of your website. And that's good because then people can go on and also view other stuff, your other services and the pricing information and so on. And finally, they can also email you from here. They can email you directly from the app. I mean, that's amazing. With the smart devices, tablet or phone, you can have people having this information directly in their hand and being able to order, being able to call you and talk with you. The main thing that I wanted to show you as well is not possible to show you using the emulated view, but it is the main crux that we discussed over the phone, wherein push notifications can help you grow your business. It can help users be updated on the events as you load them in here, as you have more ads. You can pipe instant messages to the person's device, telling them that there is an event coming up, there is a new app that you ought to see a new ad that you ought to see in on from Bajan Things, and just let them know what's going on with Bajan Things or what's going on in general. So this is just a SketchUp, basic mockup. You can let me know if there's more functionality that you want, if you're happy with the color scheme and the placement and the different functions that I've come up with. And I'm going to send you an email with this, also with a basic proposal of how we're going to go ahead as far as payment is concerned. Okay, that's all for now, and we're going to check you soon, I hope.